السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we will talk about lesson 3, the cell. Previously you have known that the body of a living organism consists of a group of systems. سابقا اتكلمنا عن the body of living organisms consists of a group of systems. These systems working together to keep life on. Working together to keep life on. And you have learned that both digestive and respiratory system consists of a set of organs. Each organ consists of a group of tissue. Each tissue consists of cells. And last week we talked about animal cell. Today we will revise the animal cell and we will talk about the plant cell. We defined a cell. A cell is the smallest unit of living organisms that can carry out all the biological function, such as nutrition, motion, sensation, growth, and reproduction. The cell is the unit of structure and the function in living organisms. الخلية هي الوحدة البنائية والوظيفية للكائن الحي. Living organisms are classified according to the number of cells. Living organisms are classified according to the number of cells. الكائنات الحية صنفناها على حسب number of cells طبقا لعدد الخلايا إلى 2 organisms: a unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Unicellular organism is made of a single cell that carries out all its life processes. Unicellular organism كائنات وحيدة الخلية is made of a single cell that carries out all its life processes. Examples of unicellular organisms such as bacteria and fungi. أمثلة الكائنات الوحيدة الخلية زي البكتيريا والفطريات. Multicellular organisms have more than one cell. One cell, such as animals, plants, humans. Plants. The body of living organisms is made up a group of systems as digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, reproductive system, urinary system. احنا بنعمل ريفايز تاني على الدرس. The system made up a group of organs as stomach, liver, and mouth. roots, stem, and leaves in plants. The organ made up a group of tissues. العضو بيتكون من مجموعة من الأنسجة. The tissue made up a group of cells. والنسيج بيتكون من مجموعة من الخلايا. ممكن نعمل تعريف للسيستم. We will define the system is a group of organs that work together. Organ is a group of tissues that work together. Tissue is a group of cells that work together. Cell is building unit of living organisms. Cell, the unit of structure and function of living organisms. وحدة بناء الكائن الحي أو الوحدة البنائية والوظيفية للكائن الحي. There are two types of cells. There are two types of cells. Animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell is the building unit of animal body. Animal cell is the building unit of animal body. Plant cell is the building unit of plant body. Previously, we talked about the components or the structure of animal cell. Today, we will differentiate between the animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell, plant cell. This shape is animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell consists of cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, vacuole. Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, vacuole. Plant cell, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and cell wall, chloroplast. Cell wall, chloroplast. All cells have cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, but plant cell has cell wall and chloroplasts. All cells are units, contain nucleus, cytoplasm, plasma membrane. Function of nucleus. Function of nucleus. وظيفة النواة. مكونات تاني سيل ممبرين الغشاء الخلوي والسيتوبلازم والنواة، وده سيل وول جدار خلوي، ده موجود في البلانت سيل في الخلية النباتية. والكلوروبلاست البلاستيدات الخضراء موجودة برضو في البلانت سيل. Function of nucleus. وظيفة النواة organizes the all biological processes inside the cell. Organize the all biological processes inside cell. It makes cell division. بتنظم العمليات الحيوية داخل النواة ومسؤولة عن انقسام الخلية. Cell division انقسام الخلية. Function of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm helps in biological processes. بيساعد في العمليات الحيوية، وهو بيكون cytoplasm is a liquid or fluid fills space in the cell. fluid fills space in the cell. هو سائل، بيكون سائل هلامي liquid fill space بيملأ الفراغ اللي داخل الخلية. plasma membrane function. plasma membrane function surround the cell and control the substance entering into the cell or leaving it. بيعمل كنترول، بيتحكم في المواد اللي داخلة واللي خارجة من الخلية. controlling أو controls the substances entering into the cell or leaving it. Plant and animal cell similar in. plant and animal cell الخلية النباتية والحيوانية similar in متشابهين في وجود. in presence of nucleus, cytoplasm, plasma membrane. cell wall function. cell wall function. It supports the plant cell. supports the plant cell. supports بيدعم الخلية. and gives it a definite shape. gives it a definite shape ويعطيها الشكل المحدد بتاعها، الشكل ده. chloroplasts. chloroplasts function. البلاستيدات الخضراء وظيفة بتاعتها make photosynthesis process. هي اللي بتصنع عملية البناء الضوئي، أو المسؤولة عن قيام النبات بعملية البناء الضوئي. make photosynthesis process. Now we will differentiate between plant cell, animal cell, cell parts, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, chloroplast. cell wall in plant cell present, in animal cell absent. cell membrane present in plant cell, present in animal cell. nucleus present in plant cell, present in animal cell. cytoplasm present. chloroplast present, absent. Note: the plant cell is characterized than animal cell by the presence of cell wall and chloroplasts. Unicellular organisms كائنات وحيدة الخلية. Microorganisms can't see by eye. Examples of unicellular organisms. الكائنات الوحيدة الخلية دي كائنات صغيرة جدا ومبنقدرش نشوفها بالعين. Examples of unicellular organisms: bacteria and yeast fungus. البكتيريا وفطر الخميرة. bacteria and yeast fungus. structure of yeast fungus. هناخد التركيب بتاع فطر الخميرة. It's a unicellular living organism made up of nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell wall. The shape is yeast fungus. Cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuole of a cell membrane. Cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm. Economic importance of the yeast fungus. Economic importance of the yeast fungus. الفطريات والبكتيريا ليهم economic importance يعني أهمية اقتصادية in our life في حياتنا. used to making bread making alcohol. يبقى economic importance of the yeast fungus used to making bread, making alcohol. To make alcohol, put yeast on sugary solution, cover it for 2 days. عشان نصنع كحول put yeast بنجيب خميرة on sugary solution وبنحطها في محلول سكري cover it وبنغطيها for 2 days بنغطيها لمدة يومين. To make alcohol. Again, economic importance of the yeast fungus أهمية الاقتصادية لفطر الخميرة used to making bread, making alcohol. Finally, we will take homework page 32, 33.